I'm Greg Harmon, founder and president of Dragonfly Capital Management. At Dragonfly Capital, we manage portfolios for clients in separate accounts at Interactive Brokers. So you can see what's going on in your portfolio 24/7 and get whatever reporting you want. We do this using technical analysis techniques and option strategies to minimize and mitigate risk. Find out more at dragonflycap.com. We also, for the do-it-yourselfer, offer a subscription newsletter with trade ideas, 10 trade ideas every Sunday afternoon. During the week, when there's earnings being announced by companies, we have earnings trade ideas using option strategies to mitigate risk and take advantage of elevated implied volatility, and offer a technical review of the market on a weekly basis. You can find out more about that as well at dragonflycap.com. But more importantly, right now, you can take advantage of our holiday savings at dragonflycap.com, where we're offering 30% off of annual and quarterly subscriptions. So check out the website. Today, after a couple of weeks, a couple of months of being on the show and talking about looking for some confirmation and thinking that the market is starting to show signs of a strong bull market. It is a bull market, baby. So today I thought I'd give you a sample of those 10 weekly ideas by showing you 5 of them that get given to subscribers yesterday with the actual charts that they saw. The first one, Arista Networks. If you haven't been following this stock, it's an incredible growth story. This stock, if you look at the chart, is got nothing in it but up and to the right, ever since the day that it IPO'd a couple of years ago. No downturns other than what you see there is that minimal downturn in the April-May timeframe of this year. Coming into yesterday's or Friday's close, you can see here was breaking to new all-time highs. This is continuing again today in Arista, and we have this as a positive setup, looking for continued growth to the upside here. No target because it just keeps getting better and better and better. Looking to use 220 as a stop on this one. You can see here momentum has reset a little bit and started to pick back up on the RSI. It reset lower, but in the positive area with the MACD, and it's curling back up now. This, from my opinion, gives you the opportunity to continue to ride this higher. The next one, Alteryx. Tech stock, we've got has had a bit of a pullback from the high in February, the double top that it printed at just over 70. You pulled back, bounced a little bit, and made a bottom in August at just under $28. Has been moving higher since. We had a high here in the September-October timeframe, a higher low here in November, a gap up on earnings, and a move back over that high, so a higher high. What makes this significant is that on Friday, it solidly rose back over its 200-day moving average for the first time since the beginning of April. The momentum is supporting this as well. We've got a strong RSI here, just into overbought condition. And we've got the MACD here rising and positive, with the Bollinger Bands opening to the upside to be able to allow further move higher. This too is continuing today, early in the day. So another one to keep an eye on or to take advantage of. Third stock I have here is Cassava Sciences, SAVA, which has been in a long downtrend that finally reached the bottom in October. Had a sharp rise from that downtrend to make a bit of a higher high above this late August high here at the beginning of November. A bit of a pullback, consolidation, and back testing that November high as of the close Friday. We saw the open today. The stock is up almost 10%. So it continues to move higher after having a monster day on Friday where it was up over 17%. Does it have room for more, or is this going to be a blow off? Well, we see momentum has shifted and it's not anywhere near overbought. We've got momentum on the RSI moving into the zone just above 60, still a lot of room here. And we saw Friday that the move opens the Bollinger Bands to the upside. So maybe a little bit slower going forward, but prospects look good for this one too. Next is one that has been around for a while. Seagen, used to be Seattle Genetics, had a couple of consolidation periods in it. You can see one here from the middle of May into the middle of August, where it stayed in a consolidative range before moving up to the range that it readopted at the end of September through till early December, till where it broke above on Thursday. Continued Friday and is continuing higher today. If we look at measured move here, a move from the 194 area at the end of August up to the about 214 area, about $20 into the new consolidation. We would expect a move up to about 234 on this out of this consolidation break. Momentum positive here, building higher and strong. What's really nice about it is that the MACD had reset completely down to 0, and it's still got a long way to go before it even tests where the September highs were. And we can see back here in April where it was the MACD was much higher here. So there's a lot of room to grow here. Bollinger Bands opening, so we'll look for this one to continue to move higher as well. And then the fifth chart I have for you today, Tractor Supply Company. And Tractor Supply, you can see, has been in a downtrend since April, with consultative bounce here, and then forming a bottom at the end of October. Since then, we've had a couple of higher highs and higher lows, and with the move at the beginning of December, another higher high, a slight pullback, and Friday retesting that top, but back within the Bollinger Bands, and having positive momentum with it now. We had the momentum divergence that happened at the end of October and following higher. Now the MACD is in the positive zone and continuing to move higher, still shy of the peaks that we've had as it was moving higher through early 2023. And we've got the RSI strong over 60, but with still a lot of room before it becomes overbought. This one may see a little stall as it hits the 200-day moving average here at 216 plus, but like this one for continued upside as well. So here's 5 stocks out of the 10 given to clients. The other 5, 3 of them have also triggered, and you could take a look at these, take a sample on the portfolio by finding out more and subscribing at dragonflycap.com. And as I said earlier, with special holiday pricing right now. So that's your daily 5. Thanks for watching.